SAT won't ask you such a direct question such as simplify square root of 50, but this particular concept will definitely be used in a bigger picture, in a bigger sense, in some problems. So square root of 50, if I were to simplify this or rationalize it, what I want to do is I want to think of two numbers that multiply to 50, but where one of them is a perfect square. And that will be square root of 25 times square root of 2. Now square root of 25 is just 5, and square root of 2 you can't break down any further, so that gives me 5 root 2. And that's my final answer, 5 root 2. Now let's say that you cannot think of a number that's a perfect square root, and I think of square root of 10 times square root of 5, which also works, right? And now I can break this down even further. Square root of 10, I can break that down to square root of 2 times square root of 5. And square root of 5 I cannot break down any further, so I'll just leave that as square root of 5. Now square root of 2 times square root of 5 times square root of 5. Square root of 5 times square root of 5 is just 5, and root 2 is just 5 root 2. Same answer. So you don't necessarily have to think of a number where it's a perfect square, but if I do, or if I can, it makes it a little bit easier. So 5 root 2 is a simplification of square root of 50. Important concept, because if you do something on the SAT, if you see a radical which is not simplified, you need to simplify it. Most likely, that'll help you come up with a final answer, or that'll make the whole process a lot easier.